Hey guys, we're here on March 23rd, Saturday, at the Yarn Over Truck's 6th birthday. Yarn Over Truck is turning 6, and here are all the people hanging out, knitting, crocheting. Here's the party. Here are the cake balls. Cake balls. Here are the Yarn Over Truck statistics. Here is some of the yarn. California Love by Zen Garden. Hollywood Nights by Mrs. Crosby. My Only Friend by Molly Girl. Then we have Campfire by Zen Garden. Inner Yarn Zen Forest. And Beach Sweets by Candy Skane. And there's Merity, and there's her husband. And here is Mara.
About the guy getting trying to get more money.
Natalie, say hi.
No.
That's where I was sitting. That's Andrea.
Because
Alice.
I think he was trying to count on
Hi.
people.
Hi, Debbie.
People like feeling sorry
Hi,
for him.
Sylvia. Hi, Leanne.
Who are you recording for?
I'm recording to put online to tell everyone it was the Yarn Over Truck's birthday. Yay! The Yarn Over Truck is 6 years old, and we're all happy to be hanging out and knitting and crocheting. Yay! Bye! Bye from sunny Southern California. Although it's not sunny today, it's overcast. Bye! Bye!